Priyanka's win has drawn national attention, marking her debut in national elections. The Wayanad constituency, a traditional Congress stronghold, saw Priyanka maintain a strong lead throughout the voting process. The voter turnout was 64.72%, lower than the 2024 general elections. Priyanka has promised to focus on key issues like farmers' concerns and boosting tourism in the area. Meanwhile, the BJP and CPIM have criticized Congress for focusing on the Gandhi family's legacy rather than addressing local issues.
For giving me the honor to represent them, for giving me so much love in my whole campaign while I was there, and then for voting for me in the manner that they have. It's a testament to the fact that my brother worked hard there, and their love for him and their trust in me. So I feel it's a great honor, and I will respect it fully. And I just was happy getting the love of the people. Now soon, in the next 2-3 days, as soon as my brother also has time to come.